The Fortnite Error ESP-DIST-001 accompanied by the message, an error occurred while connecting to Epic servers. Please try again later, typically indicates a connection issue between your device and Epic Games servers. This error can occur across platforms, PC, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, mobile, and may stem from server-side issues, your internet connection, or local device settings. Step 1. Check Fortnite server status. Why? The error is often caused by Epic Games servers being down or under maintenance. How to check? Visit the Epic Games public status page and check for any outages affecting Fortnite. Monitor the official @Fortnite status account on X for real-time updates on server issues or scheduled maintenance. Use Down Detector to see if other players are reporting similar issues. What to do if servers are down? Wait for Epic Games to resolve the issue. Scheduled maintenance typically occurs around 1 AM PST बटा 4 AM EST बटा 9 AM GMT and lasts 2-3 hours. Step 2. Restart your device and router. Why? Temporary network glitches or device inconsistencies can cause connectivity issues. How to do it? Power off your gaming device, PC, console, or mobile completely. Do not use rest mode on consoles. Unplug your router modem for 1-2 minutes to reset the connection. Plug the router back in, wait for it to fully reconnect, then turn on your device. Launch Fortnite and check if the error persists. Note: restarting the router can fix lag spikes or connection drops. If issues persist, contact your ISP to check for local network maintenance. Step 3. Clear console cache for console players. Why? Cached data on consoles can cause connection errors like ESP-DIST-001. Platform-specific steps. PlayStation Punch. Hold the PS button on your controller, select power, turn off PS5. Wait until the power indicator light is off. Unplug the power cord for 1-2 minutes. Plug it back in, turn on the PS5, and launch Fortnite. Xbox Series X, S, Xbox One. Turn off the console and ensure the indicator lights on the console and power brick for Xbox One are off. Unplug the power cord for 1-2 minutes. Press and hold the power button while unplugged to discharge residual power. Reconnect and power on the console, then start Fortnite. Nintendo Switch. Go to Home menu, System Settings, System Formatting Options, Reset Cache. Select the user, follow the prompts, and restart the Switch. Launch Fortnite. Step 4. Check and adjust firewall antivirus settings for PC players. Why? Firewalls or antivirus software may block Fortnite's connection to Epic servers. Steps to allow Fortnite through Windows Defender Firewall. Type Firewall in the Windows search bar and select Windows Defender Firewall. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall change setting. Add it to the list and ensure both private and public boxes are checked. Click OK and restart Fortnite. If you follow these steps systematically, you should be able to resolve the ESP-DIST-001 error.